Good morning. What a beautiful sight. Today, we are at a client's home taking a look at the porch railings here. And I came by the other day in the dark and couldn't get a good look at it, but what I have noticed here in the daylight, you can see basically there's some cracks and things that need to be recaulked. It's time to have the front porch repainted. So my client asked me to take a walk around the porch and look at all of the pickets, which I've done. And the other night when I was here again in the dark, I noticed that there was some peeling of the paint over here in this bottom corner. Now, a little more than peeling paint at this point. Looks good until you get down to the very bottom, and I've already peeled away the rot. We have quite a bit of rot in here. This is not good. Not good at all. The entire porch is being supported, or the weight of this corner is being supported with one corner of this 4x4 post. So we're going to have to do one of two things. Either replace the entire post itself, or we can come in here and eliminate the rotted area. Cut into some good wood up into this portion here, across this direction, and remove this section. Once this section is removed, we can replace it with a fresh piece of pressure treated 4x4 caulk, and then it can be painted. So those are the choices. Rot cut out of this thing. Not pretty. We're going to splice this one in. All right, let's get it fixed. And here we are with the finished product. The customer's going to paint this. So we've spliced in the scab at the bottom. And sanded, caulked, and ready to be painted.